Good morning, children. So today we will start question number 11. If the sum of the first n terms of an AP is 4n minus n square, what is the first term? What is the sum of first two terms? What is the second term? Similarly, find the third, 10th and the nth term. So the question is lengthy, so concentrate. So what he has given and what to find, let me explain. Given Sn equals to, that is sum of n terms he has given, Sn equal to 4n minus n square. So I need to find S1, S2, A2, A3, A10 and An. So first S1 I should find. So it is easy to find S1 and S2. When you substitute n as 1, you can find S1. When you substitute n as 2, we can find S2. But how to find A2, A3, A10, An? It's not, we can't find using Sn. But if you know another formula, so we can find these four by using Sn. So let us look at the remark. So you should note this. This is one more formula of nth term. An you know before, An equals to A plus n minus 1 into D. There we can use that formula when you know A and D. Here I don't know A and D, I don't know the series. So it is impossible to find An directly. So I need one formula. So this helps you to find any term of an AP. That is An equal to Sn minus 1. So before I start this answer, let me explain how this formula works with one example. So here I am taking one example. As you know, in the question he has not given AP, but I consider one AP to explain this remark. So let me consider 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Clearly you know that this is an AP. So here if you observe, suppose if I want to find fourth term. So observe children, 4 means what? A4 equal to, put n as 4, it becomes S4 minus S3. Means to find A4, I know I need S4 and also S3. So now let me clarify or verify whether this remark helps us or not. So S3 means what? Sum of 3 terms. Add these 3 terms, 6 plus 4 plus 2 is 12. S4 means sum of 4 terms. Add 4 terms, we get 20. Now, with the help of S3 and S4, can I find A4? Yeah, using this remark. So A4 equal to S4 minus S3. So A4 equal to S4 is 20 minus S3 is 12. 20 minus 12 is 8. So you got A4 as 8. So let us check whether fourth term is 8 or not in your AP. First, second, third, fourth. What is fourth term? 8. Exactly. We got 8. So this remark works out to find any term of an AP. Now let us start using this formula to find these questions. Now first one is S1. S1 equal to what? And one more thing I want to tell children. S1 means what? S1 means what? Sum of first term. Nothing but only one term. Nothing but S1 can also be written as A or first term, that is A1. So S1 is nothing but A equal to 4 into n plus 1 minus 1 square. 4 minus 1 is 3. So I got S1, that is, can also call it as A. S2, wherever n is there, put 2. S2 equal to 4 into 2 minus 2 square. 8 minus 4, that is 4. So S1 and S2. I got these two. Now next I have to find A2. So can I use S1 and S2 to find A2? Yes, using this remark. A2 can be written as S2 minus S1. Yes, S2 minus S1. So A2 equal to, S2 is 4, S1 is 3. So A2 equals to 1. So we got first term. Similarly, to find A3, so how to find using remark? A3 equal to S3 minus S2 and A10 equals to S10 minus S9. So little from here it will become lengthy again and again to find S10, S9 from using Sn. So one more shortcut we can go. Because I know already first term. I know first term is A and I know second term is 1. Using first term and second term, can I find the common difference? Yeah. D equals to second term minus first term. That is 1 minus 3 equals to minus 2. So I got common difference. Now I need to find A3. So remember children, you can find A3 in this method also. A3 equal to S3 minus S2. But this is little lengthy. Because I know A and D, I can go with the normal method. So A3 equals to A2 plus D. I know A2, that is 1, plus D is, just now I found out, minus 2. 1 minus 2 is minus 1. So A3 is minus 1. Now I have to find A10. So I cannot write here A10 as A9 plus D because I don't know A9. So let me go with another formula. A10 can also be written as A plus 9D. So in one more method, how will you find? A10 equals to S10 minus S9. So this method also you can find, but this is very lengthy. You have to find using this S10 and S9 and then subtract. So instead of that, we can go with this. A10 equals to A plus 9D. What is A? Already found out A is S1, that is 3. Plus 9 into common difference is minus 2. 3 minus 18 is minus 15. So A10 equals to minus 15. So I found out S1, S2, A2, A3, A10. Finally, we need to find AN. So AN is nothing but what? Nth term. That is AN equals to A plus N minus 1 into D. That is A is 3 plus N minus 1 into D is minus 2. 3 plus into minus minus 2n plus 2, that is 5 minus 2n. So an equals to 5 minus 2n. Now with this you can check your answers, previous answers, what you got. A10. So what you got A10? Just look at it. You got A10 as minus 15. So let me verify with this. A10, 5 minus 10 2s are 20. Minus 20 plus 5 is what? Minus 15. So you can see minus 15. So with this also you can verify A10 is minus 15. This is nothing but nth term of this AP. So next 12th question. Find the sum of first 40 positive integers divisible by 6. So 40 means what? What is this? 40 tells you it is n. N is 40. Find the sum of means S40. I should find S40. Where is AP? He has not given AP. So you have to create an AP using the question. So because I need divisible by 6. 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18 and so on. Is it clear now children? This forms an AP with common difference 6 because it is 6 table. And I need how many multiples? Sum of how many numbers divisible by 6? I need 40. Not necessary to write till 640s are. Not necessary. We can use some other formula. So avoid the last term and just write an infinite series 6, 12, 18, 24 forms an AP with common difference 6. Collect the data. A equal to 6, common difference is also 6 and n is 40. Why n is 40? We need to find sum of 40 numbers which are divisible by 6. So find, I can't use second formula. I can use second formula when I know A40, but I didn't find A40. So I can go with first formula. Sn equals to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. S40 equals to 40 by 2 into 2 into 6 plus 40 minus 1 into 6. 2 6 are 12. 40 minus 1 39. 39 into 6 234 plus 12 is 246. 246 into 20 is 4920. So you can conclude here sum of 40 integers which are divisible by 6 is 4920. Thank you children.